This is Grade 3, Module 2, Lesson 17, and the objective in this lesson is to estimate sums by rounding and apply to solve measurement word problems. So we're going to look at question number 1 from the homework, and it reads, Kathy collects the following information about her dogs, Stella and Oliver. So the information here is it's for Stella. Time spent getting a bath with 36 minutes, and her weight is 32 kilograms. So Oliver's here, and time spent getting a bath is 25 minutes, and the weight for Oliver is 7 kilograms. So we're going to go ahead. It says use the information in the charts to answer the questions below, and A says estimate the total weight of Stella and Oliver. Okay, so we're going to look at Stella's weight, and it's 32 kilograms, which is about 30 kilograms, and they need to use a vertical number line for that. They can. And 7 kilograms for Oliver, which is about 10 kilograms. Okay, what is the actual total weight? Oh, I'm sorry. So when we're doing the A, estimate the total weight of Stella and Oliver, we're going to add these two together. We have 30 plus 10. So the estimated total weight for Stella and Oliver would be 30 plus 10, which is 40 kilograms. Okay. So what is the actual total weight of Stella and Oliver? So we'll add 32, and we're going to add 7, which is 39 kilograms, which is pretty close to our estimate of 40 kilograms, so that's good. Estimate the total amount of time Kathy spends giving her dogs a bath. So 36 minutes. Okay, and we can say that's close to 40 minutes. And 25 minutes. Let's make that rounding to 30 minutes. And if I add those two together, oops, sorry, jumping ahead there, 40 minutes plus 30 minutes is 70 minutes, or 1 hour and 10 minutes. What is the actual time, total time Kathy spends giving her dogs a bath? Okay, let's see if I can do that here. It's 32. Oh, I lied. It's 36 plus 25. Okay. And it's going to be 61 minutes. Okay. Now we're going to look at question number 2, and it says Dina reads for 361 minutes during week 1 of her school's 2-week-long readathon. She reads for 212 minutes during week 2 of the readathon. A. Estimate the total amount of time Dina reads during the readathon by rounding. So we're going to round to the nearest 10. So we have 361, and we're going to round that to 360. And we have 212, and we're going to round that just to 210. Okay, so the total amount would be 360 plus 210, which we have is 570 minutes. Okay. So now it says estimate the total amount of time Dina reads during the readathon by rounding in a different way. So now instead of rounding to the nearest 10, I'm going to round to the nearest 100. So I have 361, and I'm going to round that to 400. And 212, can round that to 200. And when we add those two totals together, we have 400 plus 200 is 600, and we're talking about minutes. Okay. C says calculate the actual number of minutes that Dina reads during the readathon. Which method of rounding was more precise? So we're going to actually add 361 and 212. To find her actual time. And we have 573 minutes. And which one was closer to that? Well, it would be A, when we rounded to the nearest 10. Since we're rounding to a smaller unit, it is more precise. So rounding to a smaller unit is going to give you a more precise answer. Okay, so our actual total I'm going to write is 573 minutes. Okay. And which method of rounding was more precise? I'm going to put that on the next page. And that reads, rounding to the nearest tens was more precise because it is the smaller unit.